There's something so beautiful about delicate glam. They look stunning, but they're not overwhelming. And today's look can be created in less than 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's begin. Let's finish up the brows first, and for that I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4.5 just to fill in the sparse areas. To clean up underneath the brows, I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer in the shade 135, but I'm not going to be using it on my lid as a base for the eyeshadows because I'm going to be using an eyeshadow primer. And this is the Rare Beauty Always and Optimist Weightless Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to spread it out with a concealer brush. Because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to be creating a new crease above my natural crease line. I'm going to touch and feel my socket area, and that's where I'm going to be creating the new crease. And the easiest way to cut the crease or create a new crease is to use a lash curler. This is the Sally Hansen curler, and I like this because it's a smooth semicircle on top. And the best way to position this is to touch the corner of the lash curler with the inner corner of your eye. I'm going to be using the brand new Days of Disco eyeshadow palette by Milani Cosmetics. First, dipping into the shade Invite Only with a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to use my lash curler as a stencil to create that crease. With the residue that's left in the brush, I'm going to soften this crease. Then I'm going to place the handle of the lash curler as an extension of my lower lash line. That way I can create a clean outer corner. All I'm going to do is use the same brush, dip into the same eyeshadow, and after placing the lash curler, I'm going to push that eyeshadow outward and upward. That's pretty much it, and we have a defined outer corner. I'm taking a little bit more eyeshadow primer with a nail art brush to clean up under the cut crease. This step is optional, but it makes it clean and sharp. And then I'm going to dip into Platform and apply it on my lid with a flat shader brush. I'm taking a little bit more of Invite Only with a small blending brush to shade the outer corner towards the lid. That'll almost mimic a smoky liner without the harsh lines. If you have hooded eyes, doing a soft outer corner like this is more forgiving than doing a sharp wing. Next, using some concealer, I'm going to clean up the edges in the outer corner. And this is my favorite part. I'm going to be using some glitter. From the ColourPop Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette, I'm going to dip into Prima Drama. This is a pressed glitter, so you don't need an adhesive or a base for this. I'm going to apply it right under my cut crease in the center of my lid. Using the glitter like this looks so much more delicate than saturating your entire lid. And when you apply it this way, it's not going to settle in the crease lines on your lid. Dipping into Invite Only once again with a small definer brush to smoke it out in my lower lash line. To get that sultry effect, I'm going to use some black eyeshadow. Using a small angled brush, I'm going to simply stamp it in the very outer corner of my lash line. So it'll look deepest in the very outer corner on my lash line, and it fades as it moves outward and upward. That's pretty much it, my friends. It's that easy, and it's time to finish up. So I'm going to first curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Ciate Wonder Wand Mascara. This is such a beautiful mascara. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. You can of course use false lashes, and I think it'll look really pretty. But with the delicate looks, I like to keep it at mascara, and I'm not going to be using any false lashes today. Last but not least, using a highlighter. This is Flash. It's my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. That's pretty much it, my friends. I told you it's going to be super quick and easy. And how stunning is this look? Would you recreate this look? Let me know in comments. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to watch more videos like these. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.